Hello viewers, this is Charapona Jhol. Charapona means small fish. Chara is small and Puna is the baby of the fish. So together it means the soup from a baby fish or a small fish. This is usually done for people who are recovering from any disease or any other stomach upset, etc. This is also made in a regular basis for daily consumption. So without much ado, let's start. You heat mustard oil in a wok and allow the oil to become hot. Stick the oil on all sides of the wok with your khunti or spatula and allow the pieces to fry. From the size of the fish, you can guess how small the size of the fish is. That is, this is a small charapuna or the baby of a bigger fish like rahu, mrigel or katla. You covered the wok and allow the fish to fry. It'll get fried sooner. Just turn it very well and fry it golden brown on all sides. You can see how I am turning the fish to fry it and make it even on all sides in color. So in this way, you fry one piece. I am using only one charapuna or one piece of fish. You can prepare with two or more. The spices used are very minimum in this recipe, and this is usually done for people who are ill or are recovering from any other major disease, or in some cases for children also, because this is very easy to digest. Now in the remaining oil, I am frying potatoes. Potatoes are essential part of the Macher Jhol or fish curry in Bengal because it lends a volume to the soup as well as it makes the soup tastier, and we also get vegetables to eat along with the rice. Usually Charapona Jhol is accompanied with plain white steamed rice. I am using salt and turmeric just like any other cooking, and frying the potato till they are almost done. Do not fry them till they are very hard on the outside. Just as soon as you see the color changes and it's almost half done, take them out. In the remaining oil, I'm using pachporon or a mixture of 5 spices in Bengal. This mixture usually contains white cumin, nigella seeds or kalonji or kalojire, then methi, sauf or mori, as well as radhuni. If not radhuni, you use mustard. So this is panchphoron. After frying it a little bit inside the oil, I am using the dried powder of ginger. That is ginger kaddukast, and it's grated. Grated ginger as well as golmorich or pepper. Black pepper and ginger are the only spices being used, excepting for the tempering. This tomato is from my trees in my veranda or my small garden, veggie garden. So you can use the tomato, it's an option, or you might as well do it without a tomato also. Tastes equally good with it, without it, and with it. Then let them fry a little bit inside the oil. After the ginger powder and the pepper powder is fried, I'm using salt and turmeric again for the soup. Turmeric actually is an antiseptic and anti-carcinogenic, and it is supposed to lend a beautiful golden color to the soup. I'm allowing the potatoes inside the fried spices. So all the potato pieces go into the fried spices, and before adding water to it, because when you add water to it, then you have to boil the whole thing and the charapona jhol becomes prepared. So this is how we allow it to get a little bit of fried inside the spices so that the pepper and the ginger imparts their flavor into the potatoes. If you like my recipes which are prepared in a very simple way, please do subscribe to my channel Kaloshona and encourage me to produce more such recipes. To all my new friends, I request you to like, comment and share and subscribe so that I get more enthusiasm for giving you all the more recipes which are done in a very simple and easy manner with minimum ingredients. So I am adding water to this and allowing the soup to boil, or the macher jhol to boil, till the potatoes are almost well done. not almost, till the potatoes are well done. You test it like this with your spatula to see whether they are soft or not. And when the potatoes are done, you can add the fish pieces, the fried fish pieces. I am adding the fried fish because the potatoes are already soft, and allow the whole thing to boil a little bit so that the whole flavor of the ginger and the pepper is imparted into this fishes and the potatoes. This is also called murich jhol. Murich means pepper, and also it means chilies. Chilies were called murich previously. Nowadays we call them lonka. So I am using 3 slit green chilies into the soup or the macher jhol. You can add as many as you want to, and let the whole thing boil, and look at the consistency and the beautiful color. My macher jhol is done. So Charapona jhol is prepared, or Charapona murich jhol as we call it in the olden days. So take it out in a separate pot and enjoy with plain white steamed rice. Thank you again for watching my video till the last, and also to all my friends, please do subscribe and encourage me to produce more such videos. This video shows you how, in a very simple and easy manner, Bengali recipes, especially the fish recipes, are prepared. Now I am decorating this recipe and placing it in a beautiful serving plate so that it looks more beautiful. There, how beautiful it looks, and look at the consistency of the jhol. The jhol is the integral part of Bengali culture. Thank you again for watching my video till the last.